So you can go in with a brush, or you can go in with this type of brush. These two brushes are very good at detangling the hair. So I'm going to show you with this Tangle Teezer first of all, and then after I will show you with this brush. When you take the hair, you want to start detangling from the bottom of the hair. Never start from detangling from this part of the hair, because you want to be gentle whilst detangling the hair. So you want to start your way from the bottom and then work your way up to the top, just gently combing the hair. As this is curly hair, shedding is always expected. Be gentle on the hair as you're detangling. This is one section. And it's always really good to work in sections. It makes your life so much easier. And it will also ensure that the hair is detangled more thoroughly as well. And also another tip is actually to finger detangle. Now I know this can take a little bit longer, but finger detangling does help with getting out those smaller knots, which will make going through the comb later a lot easier for you. So you just want to grab the hair like this and just try to get out any knots in the hair. And also, if you are working with a looser texture, so you might have wavy or slightly curlier hair that's not as kinky as this. So you just want to make sure that you apply a leave-in conditioner after you've finished conditioning and you've washed out the hair. And this will help to the detangling process. So let's show you with this comb. So once again, starting from the bottom of the hair. And obviously the hair extensions will be already applied in your hair, but the same principle applies. But this is just for demonstration purposes. I also always advise customers, with the hair extensions in, always make sure that you're sleeping on satin pillows, or you have maybe a satin bonnet, and this will help to reduce any matting as well. So it's just really important to be mindful of the kind of products and what kind of products you use in your hair, and also how, just generally on a day-to-day basis, how you maintain the hair. So this section is fully tangled. Then you would just repeat the process throughout. So remember, key tips: make sure you use a light moisturizer, a light leave-in conditioner in the hair. You can always use oil as well to seal in the moisture. Detangle the hair, not when it's 100% dry, but I would say maybe about, so it's a little bit damp, I would say maybe about 80% dry. And then start from the bottom, start combing from the bottom, so the tips of the hair, and then work your way up to the top. And please do this in small sections, and slowly as well, and gently. I've actually had this hair for about coming up to 2 years now. Hair extensions can last you a long time. It just really depends on how you take care of the hair. And if you have any other questions, you can always email us at info@livercore.com.
My routine is something you never saw. I'ma make you scream all night long. When I look into your eyes, I know it's real. My whole life trying to find a way to show you how I feel. You're the only one on my mind, and you know the deal. Make you feel alright, girl, you know I will. I'm gonna take you out, freak you out, bust my gun and take the charge as long as you say my name. Every time I break you off, girl, I'll give you what you want. Guess your love is all I need. I'ma turn you on, and all the things I do, all the things I do. Girl, you make the move. Guess your love is all I need. And you gon' make that sound from all the things I do. Take the charge as long as you say my name. Every time I break you off, girl,
As you can see, the hair is now fully detangled and you can freely style your hair however you want to.